I'm still here, but yet I'm gone. I don't play guitar or sing my songs. They never define who I am. The man that loves you till the end. You're the last person I will love. You're the last face I will recall. And best of all, I'm not gonna miss you. I'm not gonna miss you. I'm never gonna hold you like I did, or say I love you to the kiss. You're never gonna see it in my eyes. It's not gonna hurt me when you cry. I'm never gonna know what you go through. All the things I say or do. All the hurt and all the pain. One thing selfishly remains. I'm not gonna miss you.